Hi folks, we're going to have a look through the oil markets today. So up on the screen is a disclaimer just saying that these are my views and there is no guarantee of capital gain increases from my trade ideas. So if you'd like to read through that, please pause the video and let's have a look at the oil markets. Okay, so oil is currently priced at $74.37 per barrel of oil, priced in dollars. Up on the screen, we have the 2008 crash, where oil was priced at $148 a barrel of oil. And then we've got the extreme lows of the COVID pandemic crash, where oil actually went sub-zero. So technically speaking, they were giving oil away. Now, oil has rallied on up, obviously, from the low up to a point of resistance. Now, the Saudis are wanting and needing oil to be slightly higher, between $80 and $100 per barrel of oil. So we've currently been trading oil up at this point of resistance. We're just waiting to see now what the market wants to do, whether they want to push through this resistance area or they're going to need to come back down and find a bed of support. Now, what does this mean to the average person, you and I? Well, everything's pretty much made from oil. Plastics, rubbers, so anything that's made that we buy is usually made of oil in terms of the material, carbon-based products. Now, not only is it your goods that will cost you more, but the cost of fuel is going to go up. If you haven't noticed already that the price of fuel is steadily increasing, which has an impact on all of us, how much free money we have to spend on leisure and pleasure. Now, fuel's a necessity item. We need fuel to get around, to get to work, etc. So it doesn't matter what the price is, we will pay it. So looking at the oil markets, I wouldn't be surprised if we did push through the 76.24 barrier. However, a nice bed of support would be down at 66. So if we did start to see the oil market selling off in a dramatic fashion, we would want to be looking to buy at around 66 or even 70. OPEC is trying to slow down oil production, which inevitably pushes the prices up. So there is potentially a good run to come from oil. Now, we are at this June price of 2018, September price of 2018. So oil markets have regained the losses. So this was a catastrophic blow to the oil markets. Imagine you've got a shipment of oil carrying 28 million barrels of oil, and the price drops $50, $60 per barrel of oil. That is a massive, massive decline in profit. That's a massive value shift. The world runs on oil. So understanding the oil markets can help us identify what may be happening in the world in the future, present. So I watch the oil markets quite closely. We're actually in on a buy on oil, but I'm just deciding, depending on today's trading action, whether to pull that and just wait for a bit of a retrace. So if the price of oil continues up into the 80 to 90 area, expect goods prices to increase and fuel costs to increase. So you better account for that extra cost in your life. If you'd like more information regarding the markets, take a look at www.evolvingtrade.com. Get in contact, join our free Telegram group, and get to grips with this trading lark. Thank you very much.